In this video, we will go over the ADP Employee Registration tutorial. First, go to the ADP registration page, open the web browser and search for ADP registration. To find the official portal, click on Register Now, enter the registration code. This is a unique code provided by your employer that connects your profile to the company. Verify your identity, enter your personal details such as your employee ID, name, social security number and date of birth to confirm who you are. Create your user ID and password. Choose a secure username and password for your account login. Set up security questions. Select and answer security questions to help recover your account if and when you need to. Confirm and complete registration. Review all your information and submit the form to complete the setup process. Now you know how to easily register for the ADP Employee Registration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.